Vlogmas! Mum and I are at Busy Bees to come and visit Christmas World. Did you want something specific, or did you just want to come and look at the shinies?
Just want to come and look at the shiny. I might get a few lights just for outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then food. Food for me. Except it's Moo and Brie, and I remembered to take a photo or a video of it this time. Will wonders never cease. Plotting and scheming.
Plotting and scheming.
Yes.
Here he is, coming.
Well.
Nearly.
Yes.
On his way. Yes. He's been working very hard.
He's made concrete trenches. He's filled them with concrete now. He's got concrete in his hair apparently. I'm not sure that's where the concrete is meant to go. It's not going to be very supportive for the windows there, but...
I think he's got a new punk look.
We were just speculating as to how helpful the concrete in the hair is going to be for supporting the windows.
Yeah, I've no idea.
Floofy!
Well, I am filthy.
Floofy!
Floofy and filthy.
Okay. Ready?
Solid.
Solid, okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. We've already said Merry Vlogmas. We were waiting for you to see what you did.
True to form.
You did nothing. Nothing. We thought we'd catch it, but no. It's the 19th. When does the Merry Vlogmasing kick in, Papa?
When it's nearer Christmas.
It's 7 days.
Yeah, I was 7 days out.
Yeah, Mum had, yeah, we're in a little planet of our own today.
We were.
Was it busy out today?
Not hugely. Oh, it's more bathtub gin. Ooh!
Persian lime and orange blossom.
That actually sounds quite nice.
It does.
Mm.
I won't put lemon in it.
No, don't put lemon in it. You enjoyed your gin last night. It had ginger in it.
It had
right?
ginger in it.
That was the
Yes.
one.
Terrare.
I don't think that's right either.
No, probably not.
It'll do.
It was gin-like.
Very nice.
There it is in the bottom corner. Right, what have I got today? I can't remember how many flavours I've got left because we got rid of the sleeve that had all the flavours on it.
Oh.
We got apple pie again.
Oh.
Okay.
You quite like that, do you?
It was alright. Oh, my battery's dying. Don't move. Yeah, you were saying, what was it? Intuition and common sense?
Yes.
Well, I'm screwed.
That's what it is today.
Oh, you're onto it already?
We're
Okay.
good. We're good.
19th.
19.
Oh, it opens a different way. It opens
Ooh.
downwards.
Ooh.
Oh, well, that's exciting. Does that mean they've got a ramp to go up? Oh, look.
Ooh.
It's the same
Spaceship.
door as the...
Oh.
There's lots of red warning signs. That
Is
doesn't
there?
bode well, yes. So we had to open the door downwards.
Yeah.
Okay, there's letters. 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 Colours.
Right,
I
the
wonder if
colour
we have
doesn't
to-
come into it.
Okay.
Looking at this.
Interesting. And planets. I
Right.
don't speak foreign. Do you speak foreign?
Nope.
Do you speak foreign? I don't think it's an actual planet Earth.
No.
Language. Words are hard. I would say that's a 2.
Oh, right.
Yep.
Okay.
The 2 is the most obvious.
025.
I wondered why those doors had
Mm.
colours on them.
Okay.
Oh, that one's got a funny little... Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
So that's 20.
Got a rabbit.
Pretty. No, it's got a teeny tiny little door.
I'm going to go and get myself together.
Yeah, they're
Is
going
it-
out for dinner this evening. You think you're going to get some sewing done? You've got
I might.
an hour and 10 minutes.
Probably not worth it, is it? I'll get into it. and-
Yeah, and then you'll have to stop. My HP Instant Ink cartridges have arrived so I can finish off my bullet journal, which I'm very excited about. So they're leaving, apparently.
Ta-ra!
Bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'm going to go and make myself my hot chocolate first. I will come back and report back as to how that is. I'm sure it'll be exactly the same as the last apple pie one. And yeah, more bullet journaling for me, which I'm very much looking forward to. I'm not sure if we said, but Mum and Dad are out this evening for their weekly card game. They trade off between 3 houses and it's their turn. No, it's Jane's turn this evening, and then the other Jane, and then it's their turn next week. Except it's Christmas next week, so it's the week after. Words are hard, we can do this. Okay, so it's nice. It is nice. It wouldn't have been the one that I would have wanted doubled up though. The orange, one of the orange ones, or obviously the Black Forest Gatto one, that doubled up. One of the nut milk ones, Ferrero Rocher chocolate, yeah, that one. I will drink this. I will enjoy it. It will not go to waste, but it's definitely not something that I'm going to purchase a pack of for my own delectation after the advent calendar is complete. Right, so like I say, my HP Instant Ink has arrived, so I'm going to replace the colour cartridge and then start printing off the rest of my BuJo stickers and get those put into my bullet journal this afternoon. I am really looking forward to it. I can put some TV on and just mindlessly watch that while I stick things and play with paper crafting, which I love. So I'm going to get that done, and I will show you a quick sneak peek of what it looks like. And then a few of you asked for a bullet journal flip through for 2024, so I am going to do that as well. I did order, as I think I mentioned, some inserts for my traveller's notebook from Citrus Bookbindery, so that I've got some messy notebooks for next year, which is why I'm not too worried about having such a thin notebook for an entire year. But they've not arrived yet, so I was kind of hoping that they would be here so I could show you kind of my whole process, as it were, for how I plan on using everything next year. But a flip through of the main bullet journal might be what happens if I want to get it done before this time before Christmas, or this week before Christmas. So I'm going to stop waffling and get all those things done, and I will report back later and let you know how I go on. It is 6:30 and I am finished. Well, I'm as finished as I can be because I have run out of sticker paper this time round, and I did have the perfect amount of sheets left, the amount of sheets that I had to print, but I had one print error that meant that the kind of little slogan or saying that I had for the beginning of August didn't print out correctly, and then of the 52 week dates that I'd done, I got 2 wrong, which I don't think is too bad, but I hadn't noticed till I printed them out and I was sticking them in and I was like, that doesn't seem right. But yeah, otherwise it is now completely done. Yeah, there's the August one that's missing, but yeah, very pleased with that. So I am going to do a flip through for this, and I will show you in the flip through how I put together the stickers. It's something I do in Canva. It just takes a bit of time to kind of try and get all the dates right, and obviously I did not quite do that, but I was close. I was very close. That is now done and ready to be flicked through, filmed, and then used in the new year, which I'm very excited about. It's very chonky. It is chonky with all the stickers, and there are some stickers that I have put in the same place on nearly every page in the calendar or the diary section of it, but that's the only place that they could go, so it's gotten quite chonky at the top there. But I did try and space the stickers out the rest of the way through the book, so fingers crossed this works out for me. I think it will. As I say, with the messy notebooks that I've got to go along with it, I think it's going to work, but we shall see. We shall see next year how that all happens. So I'm going to call it a night now. I am going to go back up and sit with Chi. I'm going to do some editing because I'm always editing. I am probably going to watch a couple of episodes of Angel as well. I'm nearly at the end of season 3. I knew the storyline and what happened, but I'd forgotten how soon some of the things happen in the storylines, if that makes sense. So I am very much enjoying it. I'm done for today, so I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I have filmed out and about with Mum and then here with Dad with calendars, and I will see you all tomorrow for more of the same, more calendar goodness, more waffle, and probably some attempts at sewing as well. I need to get that dress done. Wish me luck, and I'll see you then. Bye!